Good morning, everybody. Today is May 21st, Thursday. And if you take a look here, you have Lion Sleeps Tonight, a special video that you'll really enjoy. Don't miss it. It's in the Language Arts folder, okay? And you have some questions go along with that. And then those things have to do with inferencing and some figurative language. We've talked about that before. I think you can handle it just fine. But what I really wanted to talk to was a little bit about the 13-point far from home and the homework check. Okay? So you have read in your social studies alive the British Army is far from home. Did you know that they were 3,000 miles across the sea? So they also had, so that caused a lot of problems. They had to get a lot of supplies from England and across the sea, which made it hard for them to fight the American army. But one of the things that I really wanted to show you was the difference between soldiers. And I'm going to show you a little bit of a PowerPoint here, so please bear with me. Here is what the British soldiers look like. They had very nice army uniforms. They had nice weapons and nice hats, and they all look the same. Okay? And they were paid and they were well organized. On the other hand, the colonists just wore their basic clothes and they had to use their hunting rifles at first, and they were not paid and they were not organized. So some of the advantages that the British had were that they were organized, they were well paid and well trained. However, the American colonists had a lot to lose because this was their home soil. Okay? I don't know if that was yesterday, but we talked about the shot heard around the world. The reason it's called the shot heard around the world is because it was the beginning of the American Revolutionary War. And eventually, the Americans won, and um, the United States was born, a new country. Okay? So, just kind of those things that I want you to keep in mind as you do your reading. Okay? We are uh, we're right in the middle of the American Revolutionary War in social studies, and I think you've got just a little instruction, a little background. Make sure you do your reading before. Now, I have in my hand the attendance item, and the attendance item today is a smiley face bouncy ball. So message me with the smiley face bouncy ball. I notice my hair's a little messed up today, but smiley face bouncy ball, okay? The British are coming. The British are coming. And that is the American Revolutionary War. So a little instruction before you start. So have a good day. Smiley face bouncy ball.